You see, this face is not even real. Grow with Ren made me from scratch and brought me into reality, and many more like me. Now I can talk, smile, and even laugh. I know you want to know how. Let me show you.
Don't trust anybody who says they don't like jollof rice. My son, that person is hiding something dangerous.
My people, today we have shown the world the true spirit of Nigeria. Passion, unity, and flavor. This pot of jollof rice is not just food, it is our culture, our pride, and our strength. We stirred it together, we laughed together, and we made history together. To every hand that helped, to every voice that cheered, and to every heart that believed, this victory belongs to you. May this giant pot remind us that when Nigerians come together, nothing is too big to achieve. Naija, we did it.
Don't worry, little one. I see you. You're hurt, but I'll get you to safety. Just a little more. We're almost there. You're safe now.
Money, I'm hungry. You're busy with YouTube.
Another Monday? Email stacked, boss on my neck, and guess what? I still don't know what I'm doing with my life. Don't tell me to just be productive. I'm tired.
Exam na tomorrow. I promised myself I'd read one chapter every night. Ask me how many I've read. If failure had a face, it's me right now. God, I beg you.
One thing is certain. Once you see me, you can't look away. I'm unforgettable. I'm magnetic. And maybe, just maybe, I'm about to change everything you thought you knew. So tell me, would you dare to step into my world?
Hope those talking images my Mistress Wren cooked up with free AI tools wowed you. Scoot in, Miss Wren's about to spill how she brought all of us, yep, me too, to life. Take it away, Miss Wren.
Hey friends, welcome to Grow with Rain. It's been a while, but I'm so excited to be back to bring you fresh practical tips on how to grow your channel and create amazing content using AI. Now listen, if you ever thought AI tools were too complicated or only for tech experts, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking it all the way down. We are going to learn step by step how to create AI videos and voices, even if you are a total beginner. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT, Google Studio AI, Convertio, and Digest AI to create realistic voices and even talking image. By the end of this video, you will be ready to make content that looks and sounds professional without spending a dime. So, if you're ready to level up your YouTube game and finally make AI work for you, let's dive right in. So the first thing is to open our ChatGPT and type "Hello friend." He has responded, "How are you doing today?" Now say "Doing good," and I want you to create me a well detailed prompt of a beautiful girl wearing a pink top and a jean. So now we are creating our prompt. So you put in the prompt of whatsoever you want ChatGPT to do for you. So anything that you imagine that you want ChatGPT to give you a prompt about, it can be about anything at all. Just put it there. ChatGPT will help you to refine the prompt and make it more detailed. So now this is what my prompt is all about. I want you to create me a well detailed prompt of a beautiful girl wearing a pink top and a jeans. So these are our reply. So now he has given us a well detailed prompt. So what we'll do now is to copy and paste. So now I have copied and pasted. Now I want to also make this more detailed. So what I want to do is to add something that will make my image come out exactly the way I want it to be. So I now write create a picture. Okay, create me a vibrant 3D pizza style illustration. Okay, pizza style illustration of a girl, of a beautiful young Nigerian woman. So this is what I added to my prompt to make, because I really want to make 3D pizza style image. But if you don't want, you can just leave your prompt like that, then click on the arrow, then you're good to go. ChatGPT will give you exactly what you want. So it's very easy. It's something that you can really do. So then I added to my prompt to make it more ultra realistic. Then 8K details, dramatic lighting, then photorealism. Then click on that arrow sign, and here we go. This is our beautiful image created. You can see ChatGPT can give you beautiful image. So another method that we're going to use is our Pinterest. You open your Pinterest, then type in what you want on the search bar, which is a beautiful girl. Let's use the same example that we used before now. A beautiful girl wearing a pink top and a blue jean. Then we send, you wait for it to load. Here we go. So now you scroll to search for the one that you want. So when you see the one that you really want, you screenshot, then crop and save. Then the next step is to open a ChatGPT, then go to your photo, import the image we just saved from Pinterest that you want to recreate. So this is the image. Then write in your prompt. So I say, according to what I wrote here, say, help me describe everything she's wearing in the prompt, from her hair, face, pink top, blue jean, and everything, literally everything. I just want everything to come out the way it is on that photo. So here we go. ChatGPT has given us everything, a well detailed prompt as usual. Then you copy the prompts and paste. So now I want to make adjustment by adding what I want the prompt ChatGPT has given us to be, just like what we did for our previous photo that we created. You create a vibrant 3D pizza style illustration of a fashionable woman with long wavy black hair, just exactly what we did before. So you add it to it. But if you don't want your image to come out in a 3D form, you can just leave it like that. Then click on your arrow sign to give you exactly what we want. But for the course of this tutorial, I want our image to be in 3D form. So you add ultra realistic 8K details, everything. So send, then wait for it to load. Now our image, is this not beautiful? This is so cute. This is so cute, so beautiful. So now we'll save to our gallery. Now we've created our beautiful 3D pizza image. This is so cool. Next step is to go to our Chrome browser. Type in your Google AI Studio on the search bar. So the purpose of using this Google AI Studio is to help us create realistic voice. You see this image? She's gonna talk very soon. So now, you scroll down. This very one that has Google AI Studio, you click on it. So it will open. You wait for it to load. Now it's loading. Now it's open. So this is how the interface looks like. We have try nano banana, fetch information with URL, generate native speech with Gemini. So that's what we want. So we'll click and to open. So when it's open, you see you have speaker 1, speaker 2. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using just speaker 1. So you see the tab at the upper right, you click on the tab, then to open to you. We have multiple speaker audio, then we have single speaker audio. So we'll be using the single speaker audio for this tutorial, like I said. So now under the voices, we have several beautiful voices. So you choose, you play and listen to each voice to see the one that suits you. See the one I'm scrolling just to see. So I'll go with this Despina. So now for the speech, we have style of instruction. This style of instruction is simply you telling the AI, describing what you want the AI to do for you. Like, okay, next is our test. So this is simply what you want your 3D image to say. So after which you click on the run, it's run, then it has downloaded.
One thing is certain. Once you see me, you can't look away. I'm unforgettable.
Wow.
I'm magnetic.
Wow.
And maybe, just maybe, I'm about to change everything you thought you knew.
I love it. It's so cool. So you download. So our next step is to convert the audio we just created into MP3 so we can use it for our voiceover. So you come to your Google Chrome and type convertio. I like to load and open this first one. You click on it. Then this is the interface. You choose file. Allow this time. Then you go to your media. You click on it. Then you see image, audio, videos. So click on audio, obviously. You click on audio, obviously. Then download. Then you can see that you click on, then click MP3. Then you click on convert. So I like to load. With this, we've successfully converted our audio to MP3. Then you download, click on download. You wait for it to load as well. So to load, so file downloaded. So now we'll go to the next step is to open our Chrome. Now we'll type in our image creator that we'll be using, which is Dijon AI. I love this so much because it makes my image creation so easy and gives me free credit every day. Every day you have free credit. So now you click on create. You wait for it to load. So this is this. Then you click on that aspect ratio to choose the aspect ratio that you want. So now we'll be using our 9:6 aspect ratio. Then you click on crop. Wait for it to load. Now you see that box. You click on it to import the image that you want. So just choose one of this image. That's the image we created. Then you allow it to count to 100%. Once it's 100%, your image will appear. So this is what we have. Now we're gonna click on talk because we want the image to talk. Now after we should click on talk, you see this place, you have to lip motion. You have to activate the lip motion. Since we are using free, we'll click on the other, which is this. Then down to the scripts. We are not using script for the course of this video. We are using our audio. So if you are using script, you can put in your script there. Now, since we are using audio, we are uploading. Click on upload. Then to open up your gallery. Once your gallery is opened, then you click on the download. then allow it to load. So while it's loading, so once it's finished loading, so this is what you have. You come down to play to be sure of it.
One thing is certain. Once you see me, you can't look away. I'm unforgettable. I'm magnetic. And maybe, just maybe, I'm about to change everything you thought you knew.
So click on the good sign to take us back. So now we're gonna put in our prompts. I love to copy and paste my prompts, so I don't like typing my prompt over here. So I love typing somewhere, then copy and paste. So now I'm pasting my prompts right away. Then after which you click on the good sign. Click on the good sign up there and then generate.
One thing is certain. Once you see me, you can't look away. I'm unforgettable. I'm magnetic. And maybe, just maybe, I'm about to change everything you thought you knew. So tell me, would you dare to step into my world?